If you listened to Elton John's live performances of Your Song, you probably noticed something fascinating. He never plays the piano the same way twice, yet every time it sounds incredible. Ever wonder how he does this? It all comes to one simple principle, which I'll teach you. Let's begin. Here's middle C for reference. And the song is in the key of E flat major, with B flat, E flat, and A flat. The quickest and most effective way to learn this is to start with the chord progressions and then practice playing them in Elton John's style. If you recall from my previous video, the chords of the intro are E flat major, A flat over E flat, B flat over E flat, and A flat over E flat. If you need a breakdown of the chord progressions, the link to my first video is in the description below. When Elton John plays Your Song live, he varies how he plays the chords each time. His secret: every note he plays comes from the chords in the progression. For example, for E major chord, you can play this. Every note here belongs to E flat major chord, or I can play this. Again, all the notes are part of E flat major. For our next chord, A flat over E flat, you can play this. For B flat over E flat, we can play this. And here's A flat over E flat. Playing all the chords of the intro, we have this. For timing, we'll follow the rhythm Elton John used in his original recording. The song is in 4/4 time, meaning each measure has 4 beats. We'll count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. What we'll do is play on the marked beats. That is the 1, 2, and 4, and the last and. Let's play the intro again with this rhythm. Notice how it sounded slightly different from the previous time? That's because, like Elton John, I'm not memorizing specific notes. Instead, I'm choosing notes from the chord and playing them in a way that feels natural and expressive. Over the years, his live performances have featured variations in rhythm, but the underlying principle remains the same. As long as the notes you play are part of the chords, it will always sound great. Let's apply this concept to the verses chord progression. Here are the first few chords of our verse section. E flat major, A flat major 7, B flat over D, and G minor. One way to master this technique is to practice arpeggiating the notes of each chord upwards. For example, here's E flat major, A flat major 7, B flat over D, and G minor. Now let's try arpeggiating downwards. Here's E flat major, A flat major 7, B flat over D, and G minor. So if we apply this to the first verse, we get this: E major, A flat major 7, B flat over D, G minor, C minor, C minor over B flat, C minor over A, E flat over B flat, B flat major, G major, C minor, E flat major, F minor, A flat major, B flat major, B flat sus4, and B flat. Similarly, we'll apply this method to the chorus section. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to play along video where you can practice with me, leave a comment down below so I know. For a step-by-step breakdown of the chord progressions used in the entire song, you can check out my first video. The link is in the description.